Dito sa mga Panlupes, Zaira, ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng mga bisita mo ngayong hapon pumunta dito upang suportaran ka sa iyong kaarawan ngayon?
Thank you. Thank you. Speechless.
Okay, so I think it's Fredang Yang speech. So, for our opening, I would like to request yung sarili ko na lang po. Welcome po sa inyong lahat and palapakan po natin si Zaira, yung birthday girl natin. So at this afternoon, we're going to celebrate the 7th birthday party of Zaira, okay? So may I request everybody to please stand up. Tumayo po muna tayong lahat. Okay, so we're going to sing a birthday party song. And once the music will start to play, may I request everybody to please cheer up and sing happy birthday. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all sing for our birthday girl this afternoon, Zaira! Everybody sing! Happy birthday to you! Everybody sing! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a chance, sir. Everybody, let's go. Let's go. Everybody, let's go. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So once again, maaari po tayong sumigaw. And 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Zaira! 1, 2, 3, everybody!
Hello na, pwede sa bata ko na wish ko lang siya nga kudat ng perme, kag mas pila sa Mayo. Kag parang ito na mo ng iyang mama. Kag sa mga panahon mo na mulig na salamat, kay tunay ka mo na yung hindi ka diyang birthday ni Zaira. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, sir. The father of our celebrant, this is Zaira. So Zaira, ano ang masasabi mo kay daddy mo ngayon na nagsalita siya para sa iyo, para sa bisita mo?
Love you, Daddy.
Oh, di ba? Short message but from the heart. I love you, daddy, from your daughter. Okay, thank you so much. Is this surprise so beautiful, so elegant ang ating birthday girl? Palapakan natin ulit si Zaira. Yes, okay naman. Okay lang yan. So at this point, kids, we're going to have a short activity program. We're going to have 7 treasures, 7 flowers, and 7 gifts. So, sino po ang naka-include sa ating 7 flowers, 7 gifts, and 7 treasures? So, yes, magsisiyaw muna yung celebrant natin ba? I-check muna yung mga attendance ng ating mga bisita dito ngayon sa loob party area. Okay, so everybody at this side, everybody please say happy birthday, go! Yeah. Let's check sa akin nga right side. Tingnan natin kung anong level ng kanilang energy. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday! Okay, wow! Okay. Ang business marami dito sa Kadulay. Okay, so yung games natin later, hindi lang po siya pang bata. Yung salong gifts natin. Sinong ready sa gifts nila? Sinong nagdala ng gift para kay Zaira? So, as I call your name, please go here in the center, ha? Okay, so,
Picture man lang.
nandito na po sa akin yung mga listahan. For old siblings. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, our first activity, our 7 gifts.
Ano din binanggit natin? Ang may ribbon doon na pulang-kulay.
Okay, here we go with our 7 gifts. First up, the first one we're announce, please go here in the center. Please bring your gift and prepare your short message. Okay, first up, we have Abrin. Abrin, dito po ba si Abrin? Abrin. Brain, dito tayo Abrin. Everybody, please go here. Yes. Okay, dito pa muna, bigay mo muna. Okay, picture taking sila sir, picture taking. Next we have Shao. Where's si Shao? Shao. Stay there muna. Stay there. Shao, it's your turn, Shao. Okay, Shao. Dito tayo, Shao. Dito siya yun. Yes, it's Shao. Next we have Mia. Where's Mia? Mia. Si baby Mia pala yun. Baby Mia. Yes, sila ni mama niya pumunta dito. Next we have Alexis. Actually Mia si Alexis. It's Alexis. Alexis, dito tayo ma'am for the 7 gifts. Next we have Heart. Si Heart. Yes, everybody please go to the center. Next we have Jasmine. Jasmine, 7 gifts. Jasmine. Jasmine. Next we have Aiza. Where's Aiza? Okay, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, our 7 gifts. Palapakan natin everyone yung 7 gifts natin. Okay guys, ma-picture muna kayo guys. Ma-picture taking. Everybody smile. Ready? And of course, we have here also si Mr. Aljan. Tignan na lang muna natin si Mr. Aljan. Dito pa tayo. Okay, Mr. Aljan. Okay, everybody smile. Tayo na. Everybody smile. Everybody please do Rocky. Okay, maraming salamat. Dito natin lagay yung regalo natin sa kabilang dako. Okay, Mr. Aljan, doon natin lagay. Please put your gift at the side. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Okay, that concludes for our 7 gifts. Maraming salamat po. And next up, we have our 7 treasures and bills. Sabay-sabay na lang po natin yung 7 treasures and bills natin. Ladies and gentlemen, our next activity, the 7 treasures and bills. So again, as I call your name, parents, our kids, titas and titas, please go here in the center. First up, we have for our 7 treasure or bills, we have Mommy Inday! Yes, hindi pa tayo sa gitna, ma. Yes, Mommy Inday! Okay, pwede po muna, ma'am. Pwede po muna sa picture. Okay, so next natin we have Mama Rai. Si Mama Rai. Alright. Okay, next up we have Mommy Panga. Ano si Mommy Panga? Mommy Panga. Okay, next we have everybody smile, guys. Everybody smile. Ready? Okay, next we have Mommy Beth. Si Mommy Beth. Mommy Beth. Ayan. Okay, next po natin for our 7 treasures and deals, we have Mami Nene! Ang energy ng parents natin ngayong hapon, ha? Grabe yung energy! Mami Nene! Okay, next po natin we have Tita Joanne! Tita Joanne ang pala yung inintay, no? And of course, hindi po magpapatalo si Tita Joy Joy! Ang energy natin ngayon, ha? So, yung ginagawa sa treasures, reveals! Magpapatalo sila! Ang saya naman nila. Everybody smile! Alright, maraming salamat po. Wow, ang dami mo namang treasures or deals. Okay, gusto mo bilangan natin? Later na. Charot lang. Later, si mama mo bibilang o si papa para sa'yo later, okay? But for now, this, okay, as a simple treasures and deals, naging share nila ni tita sa'yo, ha? Okay? So, Tagalog ba? English? Chinese? Mandarin? Ano ba? Ilonggo, of course. Okay, so yun po yung conclusion for our 7 treasures with deals. So at this point, kids, parents, titas and titos, it's time for the 7 flowers. Dahil mas sa flowers, sarap ka. Flowers po tayo, flowers. So as I call your name, dito po. Yes, yes. At TikTok, sila po yun, no? Mga-flowers sila. So, okay, so ulitin ko po, tatawagin ko po yung pangalan, tapos ipunta ko sa gitna ko po yung bulaklak. Ibigay po natin yung flowers sa aking celebrant.
Nakawak lang sa'yo. Iti man sa sayo. Sinong Manuel? Si Manong Manuel.
Give me rose. Ano, give me rose. Liyan na nga. Ito kayo na. Kasi daw sila.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have our 7 flowers activity. Please get ready. First up, for our 7 flowers, we have Mr. Liam. Sayo tayo ng konti. Mr. Aljon! Mr. Aljon!
Breakfast in bed.
Everybody, let's give a round of applause! Next time, si Daddy Ote! Daddy Ote! Si Daddy Ote! supporter. Okay, next we have Daddy and Witten. Tapos, our last but not the least, we have Papa Alright, so lahat po ng flowers, pwede po po tayo mag-group picture taking. Lahat po ng 7 flowers. Dito po tayo sa gitna, sir.
Hoy, Liam, go to
Pwede
Liam.
po po request yung lahat ng 7 flowers. Picture taking, group picture taking po tayo.
Si Liam, tala si Liam. Go, tala si Liam. Go pa na sa.
Everybody, our 7 flowers, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, everybody smile!
Okay, closer, sabay tayo.
Closer, everybody come closer.
Ayos, ready and 1, 2, 3, smile. Then, walkie, ready and 1, 2, 3, walkie.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Thank you guys for our 7 flowers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for participating sa ating 7 gifts, 7 treasures and bills, and 7 flowers. So tatatanungin ko po na ang ating celebrant. Okay, so ano nararamdaman mo ngayon, Zaira? Because maraming sumuporta sa iyo ngayon. Anong gusto mong sabihin? Anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
Masaya.
Masaya, ah.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Alright! Okay, akin na muna yan ha, yung bulaklak pero sa iyo ito. Okay? So thank you so much. As I already request, bigyan mo muna kay mama ang precious. Okay, so siguro feeling ko ready na po yung kids natin for our next activity. Kids, please get ready because we're going to start our first game! Everybody please get ready, kids. Mag-games na tayo, kids. And parents, so of course with the parents. Okay na? So tingnan natin. Okay, so tingnan natin ilang participant pa tayo ngayon dito. Okay, yung kids natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So siguro sila na po muna yung medyo matitino sa games. Sa games, mami, ha? Pero in terms of childhood, ayan po silang dalawa. At pabayaan po natin because naglalaro lang po silang dalawa. Okay, so I think, may request. Please join us here, sir. Well, very good. Gusto kong aura na yan. Chloe, join us here also. Chloe, you want to join us here? You want to join also? Sa likod dito, sa likod na. Okay. Arjun, please stand up. Jasmine, hi! Okay, susunod. Okay, itong mga batang po ito, maglalaro po sila ng ating first gift. Sige, ayan na lang. As long as nag-enjoy po sila. Okay. Ayan! O, diba? Ayaw nang sumali. Sabi ko dito sila ba? Ayun. Okay. Okay. I think alam nila yung first game natin because super common na po ito sa isang birthday party ng kagaya nito. Okay? I think is you ready for our first game? Are you ready for our first game? Ay? Medyo mahina yung energy natin. I think is, are you ready for our first game? Yung hinahanap natin, kids. Ang galing naman ng mga estudyante ko. So, dito tayo ngayon na nursery line kumbaga. Okay. So, kids, including our participant, let's play our first game. Starting with the first participant, RC. So, si RC, step forward, RC kids. We're going to play the longest breath. Happy birthday, Zaira! Ready? Kayang-kaya, kids? Okay, remember, marami tayong prizes dyan. Okay, ready, sir? Ang RC. Dito tayo sa gitna. Everybody! Ready ka na? Happy birthday, Zaira! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Naman ni RC. Ay, maraming salamat, RC. Okay, marami tayong dito jellies, may chocolate. Okay, next we have... let's try for Miss Chloe. Chloe! Ay, yes. Gusto ko yung pintas ni Mami, ah. Lang na pa niya, break. Ready ka na? Happy birthday, Zaira! Go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Nice try, Miss. Maraming salamat. Don't forget, may bibigay ko sa kanila later na simple token or consolation token. Okay? Sa mga hindi magkanal. Next, we have Miss Andrea. Punta tayo dito, Miss Andrea. Yes, sa ating inyo yung bell. Miss Andrea, ready ka na? Ready. Ready ka na? Ready ka na, Andrea? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Maraming salamat, Miss Andrea. Next we have, sige, sitot ka. Sige.
Happy birthday!
Got 5 seconds! Maraming salamat. Okay, next we have, shout. Ako, ito naman ang kiss natin ngayon. Ready ka na, shout? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Maraming salamat. Hayaan nyo na siya, ma'am. Hayaan nyo na siya. Next, sinabi sa turn. Shaw got 5 seconds. Okay na yan. Later, bibigyan ko kayo ng token na candies nito. Marami tayo dito pa. Ano, ito na consolation token. Ready? At is your name? Aisa. Sige, ready na si Aisa. Happy birthday, Zaira. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Aisa!
Sige lang. Babag si Arway. Ayan lang mo natin. Maraming salamat sa Aisa. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay lang yan. Aisa got 5 seconds. Sinabi na Aisa, happy birthday, Zaira. Yun yung sinabi. Okay, next. We have Jasmine. Nagulat ako nun, ha? Okay, Jasmine, are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Oh! 6 seconds for Miss Jasmine. Next we have, it's your turn, Heart. Ready na si Heart? Ready na si Heart. Ready, Heart. Right. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
6 seconds also. Okay, next is your turn. Then, kumbaga dito. Ready ka na? Ready na? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
And so right, this is Aljon. Aljon got 9 seconds. Of course, don't forget, meron pa tayong celebrate. It's your time! Zaira, happy birthday to you! Tingnan natin kung kaya yung panindigan yung birthday niya ngayon. Arawan ko ngayon is my birthday. Charot lang. Kaya? Okay. Happy birthday to me. Ready? Desire, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to me!
Birthday girl! Happy birthday girl! 9 seconds. Ito na po nakakuha ng 9 seconds at dalawang nakakuha ng 10 seconds. Obviously, they are our winners. But, basta na yung mga kids natin. Pwede ko pa maimbitan yung mga kids natin. Tumayo dito lahat. Yung mag-lahat ng sumali. Everyone please come here in the center. Okay, lahat ng sumali sa longest breath. Tumayo muna dito sa gitna. Yes! Dito tayo, baby. Dito tayo. Punta tayo dito. Kasi yun naman ang ating kids ngayon. So, sa mga, okay? Okay. Liam, ito para sa iyo, Mr. Liam. Liam, maraming salamat. Tuloy mo na. It's got yours. Mama. Thank you so much, Mr. Liam. Next we have, eto sa iyo, Aiza. Maraming salamat, Aiza. Si Jasmine, maraming salamat. Si Xiao pala. Si Heart, maraming salamat. And of course, eto siya, maraming salamat, Chloe. And of course, RC. And of course, the remaining girls, sila po yung mga nanalo natin. Dito tayo sa kita, so 4 kayo dito. So thank you so much, Xiao. Dito tayo mga. Thank you so much. And of course, sila po yung 4 na nanalo natin, including our birthday girl. So maraming salamat. And here we go, is your prize. Thank you so much for participating. And of course, this one also. And I think this one belongs to you. Thank you so much. And of course, Zaira, what do you want here? Please choose what you like here. Of course, pipili siya o siya yung celebrant natin. Pipili siya ng kanyang gusto. And maraming salamat sa mga kids na participate sa ating na first game. Yes, sa'yo na yan. Okay, so tapos na po tayo sa isang game. So, let's proceed.
Wait lang pala. Sabihin mo sa akin na nandiyan ang pera ko.
Game, our second game. Everybody, please get ready. We're going to play the book game. Who wants to join? Everybody, kids. Everybody, please go here in the center. Everybody, lahat kids, lahat tayo kids. Lahat again. Sali tayo. Dito tayo sa gitna. Dito tayo sa gitna. RC, please join again, RC. Dito tayo, kids. Dito tayo. Punta tayo dito. Dito tayo sa gitna. Dito tayo, please go here. Dito tayo. Zaira, please join also, Zaira. Our birthday girl. Dito tayo. Okay? So, familiar kayo, kids? We're going to play the birthday singing. Alam, paano yung mga maliliit dito? Ay, dito. Paano cuties natin dito? Okay, so try natin. Okay, dito tayo. So, kids, going to play music, and once the music will start to play, all you have to do is nag-sunstraight po siya. Kaya nag-lunch ka naman. Grabe, patagbo-tagbo. Balik naman sa amang games, galing tayo. Okay? Ay, nag-repeat. So, okay, ready na kayo guys for our second game, kids? Ready na ba for second game? Let's go. At hindi nila alam yung second game natin. Okay, try natin. Okay, so, sinong magaling sumayaw? Okay ha? So, lahat magaling sumayaw, marunong sumayaw. So, sasayaw muna tayo, kids. And, ihinto ko yung music. I'm going to stop the music. Yes. I'm going to play the music, and once the music will stop, all you have to do is you're going to group yourself. Okay, group yourself. Okay ha? So, later. This is... Okay, try natin. Try mo natin, okay, kids. Ready tayo, okay. Okay, so try muna natin. Practice muna tayo, practice. Dapat lahat sasayaw tayo, kids, ha? Dapat lahat sasayaw. Everybody.
Dapat sasayaw muna tayo, kids, ha? Everybody here. Tryan muna tayo. Everybody there. Okay, stop, kids. The boat is sinking. Please group yourself into 4. Four. It's 5. Ayan na, kids. The boat is sinking. Please group yourself into 3. Tatlo lang kami.
Pwede ka nang bukay sa imo po ka. Of course, you also, pwede ka nang umupo. No, that's right. Please go back to your chairs. Thank you so much. Dito tayo sa gitna. Sila po yung natira. Okay, sasayaw muna tayo. Okay, ready? Sayaw muna tayo. Ready? Everybody dance again. Let's go. Eto na! Kids! The boat is sinking! Please group yourself into... into 2! Exercise silang tingnan. Okay, everybody. Doon tayo marang sa gitna. Everybody. Okay. Picture muna tayo.
Picture.
Everybody, please on. Ready?
Waki-waki.
Maraming salamat. Ito sa'yo. Okay.
Nag-aantay pa naman siya kanina.
Meron na siya. Meron na siya. Hindi siya yan.
Sino ba yung isa? Sino ba yung isa? Thank you. Natakalan. Sino ba yung isa? Anong sila to na? Natakalan na isa? Okay na? Sino ba? Oh, nako. Maraming salamat, kids. Okay, bumalik muna tayo sa ating upuan. Malas game na lang tayo. Ang saya ng mga batang ito. Last game muna tayo. Yes. Friend, dito muna lagay yung mga pagkain. Okay, yan? Last game and then we're going to have the blowing of candles at tapos pagkain. Okay? Last game. Kids and parents, everybody please get ready. We're going to play Give Me What I Want. Ayun na. Super, yes, bring the game. Punta tayo muna kay mama, kay tatay, at maaari po tayong humingi ng tulong sa kanya sa ating bring me game. Everybody. So, let's play Give Me What I Want. First winner, everybody! Winner na, isang winner na tayo. Okay, next winner, give me what I want again. This time, this winner, give me a piece of Sinomay Dalasang face powder. Face powder for boss. 5, Okay, next winner. This time, this winner, give me a piece of 10 peso bill, coin, 10 peso coin, 5, isang winner lang, 4, 10 peso coin, 3.
Hawakan kayo mo. Wala na, baby.
Okay, salamat sila. Maraming salamat, girls. Congratulations. Thank you so much. 1. Maraming salamat, 2. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa inyong tatlo. Okay, last winners. Ready? Give me what I want again. Ready, everyone?
Ano na? Hanap na tayo.
This time, this will you give me a piece of Sino may dala panyo? 3 kabata, 5 panyo!
Sige, tatawin na ako. Nililitin ako.
2, 1! Okay, tatlo na. Yung iba balik sa upuan. Yung iba balik sa upuan, baby. Punta na. Isa lang yung chair, Okay, ito po yung winners natin. Si Chow Chow, si Audrey, na si Sarah. Mami, hindi po yan tangi yung mami. Sino to? Okay, kunin niyo mo yung prices niyo. Okay, 1. Thank you so much. 2. Where's yung birthday girl natin? Zaira. And of course, okay lang ba sa'yo, Audrey? Okay, maraming salamat and congratulations. Okay, binatala pa yung prices dito. Everybody, next winner! Santos Premier, give me! Ayan na, nagkakagulo na. A piece of Sino may dalasang? Nakapula-pula na lipstick! Lipstick, 5! 4! Okay!
Wala.
Kasig-kasig si mama! Kasig si mama! Next winner, ready? Ladies and gentlemen, this Santos Premier, give me a piece of Sino may dalasang ATM card! Ayan ka agad. Maraming salamat. Oh. Ang galing naman ang telegraph natin. Okay, next! Dalawang winner tayo, dalawang winner. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a speaker of duties. A piece of... Dalawang winner na po A piece of sino may dala sa... Senior Citizen ID. Senior Citizen ID. 5! Ayan na! 4! 3! Dalawang winner tayo! Maraming salamat! Invite mo na, invite mo. Wow! Mama, nag-enjoy po talaga sila ng hindi awam.
Nasa nandito sila pansin mo. Parang dalawa akin.
Isang winner na lang. Last na lang yan, last na lang po ito. Isang winner. Isang winner lang ha, isang winner na lang po.
Mamaya nag-favorite
Isang winner na lang. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, one winner only. This will give me a piece of isang piso. Coin! Isang piso. 5! 4! Dito ngayon! Sorry girls, ba't ko na sorpuan girls? Don't worry, may place na kayo nag-giveaway. Thank you so much, Miss Zaira. Congratulations! Ay, ready yung food natin. It's time for Zaira blowing up candles na tayo sa piece procedure sa ating bake table. Here we are, the blowing up candles! Ayaw na yung bato, hindi na si Papa. Hindi na yung Ito may siya pa tayo. Okay, ready everyone, ready? Everybody God bless and sing happy birthday, ladies and gentlemen! Everybody sing! At this point this afternoon here in McDonald's Quezon, Zaira is now officially 7 years old. This is Zaira. Palakpakan natin yung one. Okay, so we're going to start with the girls. So girls muna tayo. Everybody here. Girls. We say thank you. Girls tayo muna. We say thank you.
Iba, wala. Wala ba? Paras lang yan.
Girls.
Nakapoy.
Next, we say thank you. Say thank you, girls. Say thank you.
Yung loot bag ako.
Another batch.
Ako, pila.
Yes, kunin nyo lang inyong giveaways and happy new toys. Okay, next na natin yung mga boys. Mga babies. Mga babies, asan na sila? Chan. Mga babies, and mga pa-babies. Let's go. Si Mama super tawa, ano si Mama? Yes, nag-enjoy. Ang parents ko naman nag-enjoy sa buwan. Pinahitita. Of course, nag-enjoy lang ito.
Okay lang pa isabi.
Kids. Okay. Sino pang gusto bumigyan? Meron mo kayo soda. Okay. So I guess like... ang galing ng Fergie. Wow, romantic wedding setting ah. Let's go, baby! Alright, maraming salamat, Fergie! So at this point, sa mga gusto magpag-picture, pwede na tayo kayo.
Pilaw! 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 Pilaw!
Pa nga natanggal eh, pillow na agad.
Totoo, di ka agad. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Alam, babae lalaki.
Tanggalin mo na.
Babae lalaki. Yan! Next is, ito.
Ario?
Oh, sige. Oh, shit. Wait lang kasi yan. Ay,
Ano na?
ano to? Laptop. May isa pa siya. Laptop. O may laptop siya, pero ano tong isa? I-open natin yung isa. Kay Jasmine. Shit! Bumaba ka kasi. Tulungan mo ako, binilahin mo to. Babae, lalaki. Ano yan? Babae. Share girl.
Stuffed
O
toy.
sige.